I just wanted to bring you with me. I'm going to get my husband his Christmas present, and I decided to turn on my camera and see if I can get some footage and see if it's usable. So I'm headed to the Mall of San Juan. It's our luxury mall here in Puerto Rico. Sorry, I just put a piece of chocolate in my mouth. And I walked my dog and did my usual morning routine. And I tried to get myself ready as fast as possible. But my hair's not cooperating. So, headband. Headband, and out the door we go. I'll video a little bit more when we get there so you can see the outside of the Mall of San Juan. Remember, I live in Puerto Rico, so right now it's 82 degrees here and we are in November. Maybe a week and a half shy of Thanksgiving. So once we get to the mall, I'll film a little bit of what the mall looks like on the outside so that you can get an idea of what our mall looks like, our luxury mall here in Puerto Rico. All right, see you in a few. Bye. Okay, we've just arrived. I'm going to show you what it looks like walking up to the mall here. I just need to grab a mask and then I'll film the outside of the mall so you can see what it looks like. I'm carrying my Chanel Mini and I'll show you my outfit when I have a full-length mirror inside to look at. Okay, let's go. Just got this mask from Amazon. I don't know if I'm loving it yet, but anyway, that's the mall over there. I locked my truck. All right, let me turn this camera around. Trying to find Louis Vuitton, which is where I'm getting my husband his gift. What do you guys think about this Amazon disposable mask in black?
I'm here shopping for a Christmas gift for my husband. Let's take a look at all the new collection for men. Look at all the men's new sneakers. There are so many different ones now. Wow, they have a lot more than us. That's not fair. Look at this one. Oh. I think my favorite are the black on black. Either the black with the black mono or the black with the black check. I like those the most. Out of all of them, they seem dressier to me. Let's go to the women's section now. Let's look at the new goodies for us. Let's see what's there. Look at all these slides. Check out these leopard ones. Ooh, these tan slides. That's more my style. I love those. Look at these ballerinas. Ooh, I like both of them. I love a gold shoe, and you can't go wrong with black. I love them both. So elegant. Yes, these sneakers. I think I need these. These are so cool. I like them. Very simple with just like a touch of monogram. I love them. Ooh, cute pumps. Those are nice. Oh my, you gold little mini. Take my breath away. I love you. Here I am trying on this bag. It looks kind of like a Celine bag. Very different for LV. Nice looking. Look at it. It also can be worn crossbody with a brown strap. This is different. The lady insisted on showing it to me, so I will not be disobedient. Hi, Mini Capucine. You're on my wish list. Look at this pretty choker. How feminine and delicate. So pretty. Guys, I had to come back 2 weeks later. The wallet I chose for my husband was unavailable, and I'm here back 2 weeks later. Look at this Game On bag. Wow. Stop. This bag is too much. Look at me dreaming. So beautiful. Girl, I'm here for my husband's gift. Stop. Bye, Twist family, you bunch of cuties. It was nice seeing you. Bye. I have my husband's gift here. I'm gonna take a little second and just look over it carefully because I didn't get a chance to do that. I was kind of rushed out, but I'm gonna do that now. Here's my husband opening up and showing us his Christmas gift. It is the Slender wallet. Thank you so much for shopping with me today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.